How to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or not opening on PC. So first you will need to go to the library, right click on Battlefield, go to the properties and then go to installed files and hit the verify integrity of game files button and wait for it as it might take a while. Once it's done, you can go to the general tab and under launch options add the following command -d3d11, or you can try -dx11 if the first one did not work. And then you can also add space -novid, which will basically skip the intro that sometimes kind of freezes the game when it launches. And then you can close out of this window. Next, you will need to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can open up the NVIDIA app or install it if you don't have it already. Go to the drivers section and from here select the game ready driver and make sure to download the latest version. You can also hit reinstall if you have it already installed to perform a fresh reinstall. And the last thing to do before launching the game is to disable the overlays. Try to disable NVIDIA overlay as well as Steam overlay by clicking on Steam on the left top. Go to settings and then go to in-game and disable Steam overlay while in-game. Uncheck this option. You can also disable the Discord overlay if you have it already installed. You will need to go to user settings and then scroll down to game overlay and disable the overlay from here. And once you do that, just close out of Steam, exit out of Steam like this, and restart your system by hitting the restart button. And after the system restart, you should open up Steam as administrator. And once you're on Steam as admin, you should simply just launch the game, and that should fix the issue. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.